Okay, welcome back to my channel, guys. I am out here touching up my walkway. I've been filling in with concrete because the mortar's been cracking up in the middle. You can see it here. So I've been putting concrete. So now I just need to pretty it up some. It's looking bad to me. The color fade out. Need a little splash more water. I'm starting over here. I'm just work on the grays tonight. Sun's almost down. Trying to get what I can. I've been down for 2 days. Sorry, I had the camera out of order. Got a little concrete in here with some color, some charcoal. Maybe this one I'll come back and put black. Let me look for another gray. This one's gonna be, make that a little darker. A little lighter than that one. Let's put this one. Okay, get some gray. This must be terracotta. Good. Where else should I go? I can come over here. Put the grass in the way. Brought my scissors because the grass, we had a little rain and the grass is growing right back over my edges. I was going to come up this far, but since I have the gray already, let's go ahead and use it up. That looks better.